What's up guys, it's me Zoab. Today I'll be showing you how to make I don't know what this called. Is this an ice dragon? It looks like an ice dragon. It's an ice dragon. I'm going to show you how to make it with oil, but you don't need some wires. And I'm going to just lock a door. And now I'm back. So to make that, you'll start by crumbling until it looks like a piece of stick. Like this. Oh, and you can see right here, right? On it. And now we're making the tail. So that's open, right? And you'll see there's like a T right over here, like a letter T. Crumble that piece and crumble this to these two pieces because this is a tail. A dragon needs a tail. If a dragon don't have a tail, it's not a dragon. If a dragon does have a tail, it would be a dragon. So now we're done to the tail. Now we're ready for the head and the mouth. So you'll see this piece right here, guys. You fold this top piece until aligned with this right here. No, if you can see it, until aligned with this close edge. See, it looks like this. It looks like a mouth. So crumble that mouth until it goes hard. I think it looks like a dragon, but it's a dragon. So now shape his body, and if you're done shaping his body, let me know. Just comment. So now it looks like a spear. Hi-yo! To make his body look like an ice dragon, curve these ones. His body, curve it like this, and curve it on this side as well. Wait, oh, forgot to make. Does look like a dragon now. Right here, it does look like a dragon. So now, keep crumbling. So you guys, masterpiece. Now we have a masterpiece right here. My hands so shaky on the other side. So this is how it looks. So now you're done with your project. And it doesn't have a feet, that's okay. You still can make a feet if you want. So now, as always, peace. Bye.